from this Polycom 411 phone. Now you will notice if you hit your home key that if you're back on your icon screen here, that you will have an icon up in here on your screen for messages. This will launch into your voicemail system. You can access this voicemail icon by simply using your navigation pad. You can go up, down, left, and right. Once you have the icon selected, hit your middle button to hit enter, and then you're launched into the voicemail system. At that point, everybody, you will be prompted for a PIN. You would use your 6 to 10-digit PIN that you created when you first created your account. If you listen to the menu, it will walk you through step by step on, for one, accessing your voicemail greeting to change it, or even accessing your new voicemail messages. Another thing that you will notice on the bottom kind of left-hand side here, this button right here that looks like an envelope, this will also launch into the voicemail system. So if you click it from here, if you click on this button here, you will hear that same recording is going to ask you for your greeting, for your PIN. And then once you enter in your PIN, you will be launched into your voicemail system to where you'll hear a main menu to where you're able to change your voicemail greeting and then of course, accessing your voicemail messages. Speaking of messages, when you want to check your voicemail messages from this online database, all you have to do is go up here to the top, select messages, and then it will take you to your message portal. As you can see here, the very first box that it will take you to will be your inbox. This is where you will see all of your messages. For instance, your voicemail messages, if you receive any type of faxes to your direct number and things of that nature, you will see them all listed out here in your inbox. So as you can see in the inbox here, you can see the ones that are different, the ones that are voicemail messages. As you can see here, it'll have the little play button right here. This is your voicemail message. You can actually click on the icon there, hit the play button, and you'll be actually able to hear your voicemail message. You will also notice here to the very far right-hand side next to each message, you have a download option, which will save your voicemail message or your faxes or any of the messages that you have listed in here to your laptop or PC or a designated location that you set up. You will also have the option here directly next to it to forward. If you want to forward this message to somebody else via email, it will walk you through step by step on doing that as well. Okay. Another thing that I wanted to show you in messages while we are here is that in the future here, you will have an option on your RingCentral soft phone to manually record a call. Now, I will show you multiple places to retrieve that call, but since we're here on the web portal, you can also go down here to the very bottom where it says recordings, and then this is where your recorded calls will be stored as well. Final thing that I wanted to show you really quickly here in the RingCentral soft phone are your messages. So if you go to the upper left-hand corner, this is your messages. If you hover your mouse over it, you'll see it says messages. It looks identical to the little envelope that's on the Polycom phone. Then you go to voice. This is where your voicemail messages are listed. Of course, as we mentioned before, if you go to the service portal, go to message, you'll see your messages there as well, but you can also see them here. This is how it will look like here for the RingCentral soft phone. So if I click on any one of these, and I left these in there on purpose so you guys can see this. If I click on this, recorded this voicemail message that was meant for me, hit the play button right here, I can actually listen to my voicemail message. I will also have the option to call the person back, delete the voicemail message, or even mark my message as unread.